Welcome. To know the value when a multiplied by b in this question, for the question a plus b equals 7 and a square plus b square equals 25. Now let's move on. Solution. Now our question is, for the first one we have a plus b equals 7. Let's call this equation 1. A square plus b square equals 25. Let's call this equation 2. Now, from equation 1, a plus b equals 7. Let's make b as the subject of formula. So we have b equals 7 minus a. Now, let's input this b in equation 2. So our equation 2 will now become a square plus our b now will be 7 minus a raised to power 2 equals 25. Now let's open this bracket. When open this bracket, we will have a square for this one plus, for this bracket we have 49 minus 14a plus a square equals 25. Now we have a square plus a square, that is 2a square minus 14a plus 49. Let's collect this one to the left hand side, that is minus 25 equals 0. Now we have 2a square minus 14a. By subtracting this one, we have plus 24 equals 0. Now let's divide both sides by 2. We have a square minus 7a plus 12 equals 0. Now the coefficient of a square is 1, so the factors of 12 will be considered. The factors of 12 that can equivalent to minus 7 is 3 and 4, and to make it minus 7, that is minus 3 minus 4. So for this one we have a square minus 3a minus 4a plus 12 equals 0. Now let's factorize out a from this one. We have a into bracket a minus 3. Now let's factorize minus 4 from this, that is minus 4 into a minus 3 equals 0. Let's factorize a minus 3 out of this, that is a minus 3 into a minus 4 equals 0. So our value of a will be a equals 3 or a equals 4. Now remember that from here we say b equals to 7 minus a. So for b equals to 7 minus a, so when a equals 3, our b will be equals to 4, and when a equals to 4, our b will be equals to 3. Now back to our question. We want to find the value of a times b. From this we have when a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. When a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3. Therefore a times b will be equal to 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. Thanks for watching.